guide you through how to send money from one Payoneer account to another Payoneer account instantly, ensuring you don't get trapped by an inactive pay button or hit by hidden transfer cuts. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Payoneer to Payoneer internal balance transfers, known as the Make a Payment feature, are explicitly designed for lightning-fast business-to-business contractor and supplier settlements. However, you cannot use this internal network on a brand new, empty profile layout. To unlock the internal sending feature in your database setup, your profile must first hit a mandatory cumulative receiving threshold of earnings, typically ranging between $200 and $1,000, depending on your local region. Crucially, these funds must land directly from official global freelancing marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, or through Payoneer's integrated B2B client billing service tools. Attempting to top up or clear this gate using personal bank account links, manual debit card loads, or unverified wallets will fail to activate the portal, keeping your payment button permanently grayed out. Before executing the transaction, you must also ensure the verified legal name on your profile perfectly matches the information of the person you are transacting with to clear real-time automated data validation gates. Mismatched account metadata will instantly flag the system's anti-fraud security tracking filters, reject the transfer layout completely, and place a temporary hold on your digital assets. To begin the transfer, once your feature is fully activated, open your Payoneer dashboard portal on a desktop or mobile app layout. Click the Pay tab located at the top of the primary navigation panel and select Pay to a recipient's Payoneer account. In the destination field, type the exact registered email address associated with your recipient's Payoneer setup. You must double-check every single character of this string meticulously because internal transfers execute instantly within Payoneer's closed-loop tracking database. If you route money to a mistyped address, the funds will permanently credit an incorrect system ledger with absolutely no automated rollback or cancel button available. Once the handle is locked in, choose the exact active currency wallet pocket you want to spend from, such as your USD, EUR, or GBP balance. Input your target transfer amount, and review the transparent calculation summary displayed on your interface window. While cross-border internal transfers matching the exact same currency denomination are completely free for most global users, be highly aware that regional restriction rules apply if both accounts are registered in the same country, which can trigger a flat fee of up to $4, EUR, or GBP. Finally, select your mandatory transaction purpose attribute from the drop-down selector, type a brief reference note into the ledger description field, click Pay. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.